Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Well, are you ready to find out who won the DJI Osmo Pocket? Well, here we go. Let's check out the current time. Today is July the 21st, 2019. It's a Sunday, and my time local here in Ottawa is 6:50 p.m. So let's get on with the contest. The contest was pretty easy. You just had to answer some questions. I have them down here. So question number one was, when recording in 4K with the Osmo Pocket, what's the highest selectable frame rates per second? So let's go to the website you had to go to, which is right here. And over here it says 4K 60 frames per second. All right. Second question, how much does the Osmo Pocket weigh? Let's go to our Osmo Pocket webpage, and right over here, see 116 grams. Very, very light. Third question, can you film with the Osmo Pocket underwater? If yes, then how? Well, it's kind of giving it away that it is a yes answer. So if you go here to your little thing and scroll all the way down, if I go to the bottom anyways, you get down to the little waterproof thing. Did I pass it? Where is it? There it is, your little waterproof case, which looks like this. For $49, yeah, you put your Osmo Pocket in here and you can take it underwater. Quite deep, as a matter of fact. So let's go back to the questions. What's the fourth question? The fourth question is, watch the DJI Osmo Pocket video that appears at the top of the webpage. Name the animal that appears on the woman's shoulder during the face tracking scene. So we go back to our little thing here. So at the top of the page, there was a video. Here it is right here. And if you played that video, where do I have it? Right here. What is that? That is a monkey. I don't know what type of monkey it is, but everybody put down different names. As long as you had the word monkey, well, then you will be entered to win. So those are the four answers to the four questions. Now, let's go over here and see who's going to be the winner. So all I have to do is take the URL, click that, copy this, go over to my YouTube random comment generator, paste it here, and then click on filter duplicate users and get YouTube comments. Let's see how many we have. 200, 300, 400. 515 unique comments. So let's go down and we're gonna pick three names. The first name is going to be the winner. Click on the start. Who's gonna be the winner of the DJI Osmo Pocket? Will it be me? No, it's gonna be Kevin Vigil. He's got 4K 60, which is correct, 116, yes, with a waterproof housing, and it's a monkey, that is correct. So let's go and pick the runner-up. There we go. Who is it? Sean Boisclair. Thanks, Captain Drone. 60 FPS is correct. 116 grams is correct. Waterproof case is correct. And a monkey. What is this? Monkey, or as Inspector Clouseau says, a minky. A pretty big one too. All right, so you are in. Let's go and pick number 3. And let's see what happens. What do we have? Winner number 3, or name number 3, we have Mark Powell. He's got answer number 1, records in 4K 60 frames, 116 grams. You can shoot underwater using the Osmo Pocket waterproof case, and it is a monkey. So Mark, you are in the running. All right, so now we're gonna go back to me sitting on a chair so I can explain to you exactly how you lucky 3 people have a chance to win the Osmo Pocket. Welcome back, and a big congratulations to Kevin, Sean, and Mark. So Kevin, you are the winner, and Sean, you are the first runner-up, and Mark, you are the second runner-up. Now here's how it works if you've watched my contest before. Kevin, you have to contact me via email by the 26th of July, midnight the 26th of July. If I do not hear from you, well then, Sean, you could become the winner of the DJI Osmo Pocket. And now, Sean, if I don't hear from you, well then, Mark, you're the winner of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, all 3 of you must send me an email by midnight on the 26th of July. I must receive your email no later than midnight the 26th of July. Now, you're going to send me an email at this address down here, captaindrone798@gmail.com. Send that email to me and make sure your subject says, winner DJI Osmo Pocket contest. So thanks again to DJI for supporting my channel and supporting the viewers that watch my channel, because that is pretty darn cool of DJI. And for everybody else, well, this is the month of July. I think I have one more contest coming in the month of July, so stay tuned. One more giveaway contest. Then we go into the month of August, where I hope to have 1 or 2 contests then as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video.